Hi, my name is Saurav and I am from FINDER India Private Limited. I look after the product management and marketing responsibilities here. Like every year, it has been a regular feature for us to participate in the Automation Expo to see and witness the newest technology on offer at every step of the industrial automation ladder. It is moreover an enthralling experience to engage and interact with the most talented industry veterans from all different fields under the same roof. We at Finder proudly manufacture the top notch industrial grade solutions for a wide range of application and industry segments. Explore our latest innovations in switching, monitoring, and protection solutions with over a global experience of more than 7 decades. Meet us at stall number F2 in Hall 6 at the Automation Expo 2025 Mumbai this year. We look forward to meet and greet you. Thank you.